Welcome everyone to my new presentation. As usually we take care about a price prediction. WorldCoin is the topic today for late 2023. Actually, there is 2 weeks left for this year, aiming to discover what's happening after we just broke out. So we need to touch some bases on. There's people trading it at this level. It has a huge amount of volume. WorldCoin right now is situated ranked number 10 by volume for the past 24 hours. It has $700 million out there and people trying to speculate this one. So I wanted to share with you a rational perspective on it and make sure you get the point by looking at the cryptid language of the market. For those of you that would like to continuously see daily price prediction on different cryptos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. In the meantime, we have our 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024 that you can consider as well running around. There is the presentation on our channel. Do not forget about our trades. We are printing money, right? It's 45 grand, $46,000 on the BTC short. We have opened at 42,361 on Bybit. And this is still making money, guys. I haven't exited out of this yet. We have a $46,000 position on the profit. For those of you that would like to participate in my trades, you can do it without upfront fees. It's just based on performance, a commission from the pure profits achieved. That's basically the way it works. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and we're trading through API trading permission. So you give us trading permission and we execute it. The ChatGPT is right here helping us perform. We have the bot performing on the research side and indicator side. Now, the scrembocoaching.com is for the one-on-one coaching program for anyone looking forward to becoming a trader. Intensive private coaching for strong people. So let's talk about a WorldCoin, guys, from the chart side. 4-hour candlesticks. We're looking at a specific situation out here that had an uptrending channel going on. This uptrending channel had so many difficult situations on testing the breakdown of the support line that people got wild about it. So we had basically the structure of support trending line tested 4 different times with enough volume and chances of breaking below, which is something that every single time resulted in a failure. The failure is considered to be bullish because it's a failure by the bears against the bulls in order to break below and generate a bearish sentiment around the market. As soon as the 4th confirmation appeared, which is this one, we had it very clearly reconfirming the 200-day support area. 200 days moving average line is the blue one right there. We've been reconfirming above. The reconfirmation appears after we had a situation here of trying it out, testing it out, confirming, and a reconfirmation is appearing basically once the top has been triggered and put together. Another 200 days moving average has been retested, confirming successfully. When that successful retest has happened, we were trading at $8.9. Now this $8.9 is basically the point where the wild bull market starts for WorldCoin in a pre-phase, of course, by continuing the market sentiment. Following through all the difficulties of minor moving averages, we have been rejected twice in a quite major way by the supply area that is hiding at the tops. It is a supply area between $2.7 up to $2.8, around that range, which is most likely putting together the upper limit of the resistance existent. As soon as you break out of that, you can easily go wild, which is something that has happened in the last couple of hours. Now, once we have been topping out twice at that level, again, the bearish sentiment was not actually putting together in a major way, but it was still existent. Now, the existence of the bearish sentiment has been pretty much annihilated at this time, when we have been reconfirming once again on the 200 days moving average, and on top of that, we had the golden pocket confirmation appearing in a structure quite a few times out there. So the whole picture was looking not only great from the bullishness side, but I would say amazing, preparing for a breakout, filling up the gap. First of all, the gap has been right here between the trending line resistance and the price action at the lows. in the encircled area, we also had a great liquidity value, which appears to be right there. Then we took the whole picture basically to the next level in the last couple of hours by breaking out of the first supply zone, major one, a difficult one, and the only one existent for WorldCoin at this time, with the testing of the resistance trending line, which again generated no pressure, no strong reaction compared to the bull's domination force, breaking through the extensions quite easily, finding difficulties on number 2. Yet the difficulty was out here for a couple of hours, then we continued basically to 2.414, which is a level of no heavy resistance at any point, right? So the 0.53 3 and the 0.71 9 in terms of dollars, we are claiming to have a Fibonacci extension zigzag area, which is never basically a point of a major scale between 2.272 to 2.414 extensions, right? So we're speaking about a level which can easily be broken to a higher perspective, especially going around round numbers or the 0.618 on the extension. That's what we pretty much see as huge levels of resistances appearing. Now, the selling pressure is active, as you can see. So the current situation of WorldCoin is as well correlated with the situation of the Bitcoin, which is, if you look at the whole market, it's down by 2.13% basically in the market cap for the past 24 hours. You see it on the top left corner. This 2.13% is generating a pressure we can clearly see on WorldCoin as well to be active, which is obviously not the best sign out there as timing for WorldCoin to continue its pump. The great part of this is that it has successfully printed a huge number on the percentage of the breakout. So it's 53%, guys, in a day and 8 hours. This cryptocurrency right here generated so much space in order to invalidate the breakout that it's pretty much very difficult to fill up that room of liquidity and get below the previous trending line. Yeah, below that, right? I mean, that would be a terrible situation. You would actually print a breakout of 52% and you would retrace the whole thing back into the channel. That is very, very less likely, although there are some great levels of the extensions that we have which will react as a support, and something you need to consider. Leave some time for the markets in order for the 20 days moving average, the red line, to catch up on the movement and get closer to the price action. Give it some room to react basically whenever we touch that, and offer the market a possibility to continue higher, which is where WorldCoin is sitting at. Now, this is a cryptocurrency which is not just capable of 50% on such breakouts. This is a cryptocurrency which is capable anything above 200% in this moment, which is why I'm going to talk about the situation of higher limits toward WorldCoin. Well, just like I said, the 0.618 and the round numbers are the ones that I care about as major resistances, which means that the $5, 5.5, 6.3, and 6.8, these are the levels that I am considering potential reversal times for a short-term period of time. Of course, you don't see at this time of the market, when we're speaking about an altcoin season, any reversal that would generate a prolonged bear market across weeks and months. There is no such a thing appearing right now on the charts for any cryptocurrency. Whether we speak about WorldCoin or so, it doesn't matter. You are in a phase of the market where you only see a minor retracement in terms of the period of time, yet this obviously can be percentage-wise consistent depending on the market volatility and force you're dealing with. Now, that is pretty much all as we have to speak with. You can very easily claim those levels in the following extension structure by also attaching an Elliott pattern out here and build it towards 5.5, 6.3, and $6.8 in a market movement. Percentage-wise, that's going to be significant movement, but that is the goal at the end of the time. There's going to be a price prediction around this cryptocurrency for 2024 as well on my YouTube channel, so you can look forward to that. As well, keep in touch, guys, if you would like to participate in my trades, done for you trades, we have got the opportunity, $44,000 on this BTC short, which I like to close it. It's a day trade. We got into it at 42,361 and the price is 41,000 right now on the market. The situation is fine. This is my trading spreadsheet. Option number one is no commission. No upfront fees, just commission from performance, just commission from pure profits made, which are paid by you every 7 days. The trading is completely outsourced to us. You don't have to do anything, or you have the other option where you do the trading by yourself and you receive the signals, but that comes in on a monthly fixed fee. It's option number two. Now, what about a trading, coaching, education, and a high level of program? Well, this is directly with me one-on-one, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Trading means to be very, very well prepared in a psychological way, which is something that we're covering as well in the first part. But in the second part of the coaching is the technical analysis, the language of the markets on the charts. Charts that are always communicating with us on their language, what kind of message to act on, what kind of situation to participate, and what is basically the complete picture of the market. Sort of a way it tells us when to trade and when not to trade. It's pretty much communicating directly what it does, which is why knowing the language of the market is essential. Like, otherwise you're pretty much gambling the space out and it's clear loss for the long term. At the same time, the third part is where we are doing the trading side, live trading and performing on the markets with all the knowledge we have been gaining so far. Because in the second stage as well, the coaching program is aiming to run sort of a way indicators, strategies, and a very, very clear perspective as I'm sharing with you my screen and explaining every little detail that you need to know about how to understand the charts, how to do a technical analysis on every situation, working throughout a variety of time frames, and setting your whole picture as a business model, which is great for day traders, swing traders, position traders, and any type of trading existing for other markets as well, not just around the crypto space, including for those of you which are full-time or part-time at any level. It's still fine to go around this thing, guys. Have a good time. Just sign up and register now for a free conversation with me. Find out more by watching the detailed video and jump on a quick call, guys. It's time to get your weapons ready before the bull market starts on an accelerated phase. We talk to you soon.